How to process this much foam until it turns into the biggest stone sculpture project on Earth. All doors catching a second life as a tiny greenhouse. Backyard brains really operate on another frequency. Your favorite brick just crashed the compilation. Tape, putty, and a little black magic blending in better than the original ever did. Take a look at these lungers and your brain instantly starts planning a relaxation project for the entire weekend. Tiny tiles are ruthless with imperfections. But this form keeps the evidence buried. That spot was clearly designed to be annoying. But the insulation obviously did not get the message. Cabinet layout, but make it foolproof. Shell jig locks in those pinholes, stupidly straight with no guesswork. This wall makeover is running an unfair effort to wall ratio. Grinder got promoted from cutting duty to full-blown cleaning monster. This windowsill repair is smooth enough to heal your soul. Rotten base collapsing vibes, but if the right crew pulls up, the house gets a second life. Repair what's worn out, preserve what still holds strong. That's how this house is built to last beyond all of us. Now, not what you expected, but probably what you needed. Metal frame already did the hard part. Now the stairs are coming together fast. The mirror opens and suddenly everyone has something to hide. That concrete corner has serious attitude and surprisingly great taste. With under the stairs storage that looks this good, Harry Potter wouldn't even think about moving out. A wood block, some tape, and somehow this drywall repair comes out way smoother than it probably should. Eat the creativity on this firewood setup. Chainsaw station looks straight out of a lumberjack engineering lab. Drain cleanup just turned into a suction-powered eviction notice. PVC pipe and a leaf blower cooked up the most redneck efficient gutter cleanup imaginable. Full outdoor kitchen sounds cool until it eats the whole backyard. This setup keeps it simple, sharp, and actually useful. Seeing that archway get curved out this flawlessly, it feels like sculpting more than construction. Absolutely brilliant DIA paint shaker. Zero arm workout. One cable haul, zero mess-ups. Now that's rare. soap holder install shouldn't be this satisfying, but here we are. Dopamine reserves fully funded. No one gets out of bed thinking that 2 screws and a drill will fix this. But yet here we are. This vent boot will be escorted off the roof with class. Chainsaw really looked at the circular saw and said, "Moreover." Firecock just pulled the ultimate vanishing act. The hole got completely deleted. Foam molds, concrete pour, and somehow fake tree stump starts spawning like fantasy map scenery. Mailbox glow up with a smart support fix. Now it stands proud instead of leaning like it gave up on life. For a second, I thought he eyeballed that curve. Turns out he brought a secret weapon. Total shed resurrection. One smart move, and it's basically back from the dead. Black accents really know how to bring a flat surface to life. Pretty sure this isn't a wall finish, it's a spell with a drying time. That rough bubble under the film really fighting for its life, while the tool sends it into another dimension. If you used to hate replacing session case windowsills, this process might just become your new therapy session. Damage had zero chance of getting invited to this delivery. Spend a minute with geometry and hours of joint fitting frustration quietly disappears. One radius stick later, dudes out here cutting circles like a human compass on steroids. Front row seats to a fireplace wall coming to life. And trust me, you'll want to watch every step. Just look at this roof install platform. Some people build access. These guys build confidence. Catch up this step-by-step laser trick before your next leveling job turns into pure frustration. A team of builders carefully lift wooden panels, giving the fresh concrete walls a brick-like texture. Railing done right, the kid gets freedom to explore, and the family gets one less heart attack. Roof flashing with a tie-in this clean, he actually cares about details. Time to drill in the world's most back-breaking spot, and the crew pull up with caveman-level creativity. Somewhere, a cat is feeling extremely important right now.